Ted, what are you doing?
I was trying to get these Skittles, but I got stuck.
Maybe I should try.
I say go for it. If you get stuck, I'll help you get down. Moments later, I did help Billy get those Skittles, which sparked a lifelong friendship.
No way!
Sharing special surprises.
Matching motorcycles?
2 bikes for 2 bros. Magical memories.
So I got 8 legs, and I'm not a spider.
Yeah.
If it says spider, I swear.
And endless laughter.
So I was like, arrest me then. I'm just kidding. I ate the kid.
This message was transmitted at the request of the Tarrant County Police Department. There has been a sudden spike in missing persons reports filed in the Tarrant County Police Department within the last 24 hours. There are currently no suspects, and investigations are being carried out to figure out how and why this is happening. A full list of the missing people can be found on www.dps.texas.gov/mpch. In the case you come across or see any of the missing people, immediately contact 911 but do not approach them. A reason as to why these people are missing and the individual or individuals responsible for their disappearances have still not been found, so it is assumed these people are currently in a dangerous situation. Again, if you come across or see any of the missing people, contact 911 and do not approach them.
Ahora que estamos solas, voy a aprovechar para que hablemos de tu problema.
¿Cuál problema? Yo no tengo problemas.
Claro que los tienes.
Yo no tengo nada que hablar contigo.
Pero yo sí. Tú no estás embarazada.
¡No digas estupideces! Yo estoy...
This message was transmitted at the request of the Tarrant County Police Department. Due to the sudden spike in recent missing persons reports filed within the Tarrant County Police Department, combined with the lack of any identifiable suspects, a mandatory curfew for Tarrant County, along with others surrounding counties, will be put into effect starting at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time and ending at 8 a.m. Central Standard Time. Police will begin patrolling the entirety of Tarrant County and other surrounding counties, and residents are urged to go home as soon as possible or when told to do so by civil authorities, as it will be illegal to be outside after the curfew has begun. Anyone caught outside will be arrested and questioned. Homeless people and people unable to get home will be properly taken care of. Again, there will be a mandatory curfew for Tarrant County and other surrounding counties beginning at 5 p.m. and ending at 8 a.m. Nobody is allowed outside during the curfew, and anybody caught outside will be arrested and questioned.